Here we go. We're in the town of Paris Springs at the famous Sinclair gas station. Hey, today it's a great day in Missouri. I'm at a place called Paris Springs. This is the famous Sinclair gas station. On the street here, we got a great shield, US 66, headed from east out to west here on our tour this week. Anyway, this town here was founded in 1872, originally called Paris Springs, about a half mile north of here, and soon it became famous for its healing waters and natural springs. And in 1926, Route 66 came by, cut off the original Paris Springs, and it moved down here, a place called Springs Junction. That's what we have here today with these beautiful buildings I'll tell you about. Just gorgeous. This guy here is called the Gay Parita Service Station. So the cobblestone barn over here, that was built first in 1926. And shortly after, the owners built this Sinclair gas station. The traditional Sinclair Spanish eclectic look and style. Then they opened the Gay Parita store, right? And the gas station that burned down in 1955 and is rebuilt in this style to keep its Route 66 1930s look, except it stopped selling gas. But we do have these cool gas pumps here just for looking at. And this newer gas station here is built in a craftsman style instead of the traditional Sinclair we see around Route 66. It's got our little happy Sinclair dinosaur here. Everybody loves. Anyway, it's got this low-pitched roof up here. Extends over the office and the pumps. And the wood-like exterior finish. It's smaller and thinner than our normal Sinclair stations, though. Finally, of course, Route 66 is realigned with Highway 96, and further down Interstate 44. This place became bypassed in the 1960s. So let's take a look at our little garage over here, which is pretty cool. Called the Paris Springs Cobblestone Garage. It was built in 1926. Single bay garage, made of that rough cobblestone. It's got a half round metal roof, and this great little parapet facade. These cool antiques out here. Now we got the little sheriff's car. Maybe that's from the movie Cars. We got a Sinclair pump with the Route 66 little logo thing on top here. Here we got a cool looking Dodge truck. All right. And here's our Sinclair little signs. We got an outhouse here, Pepsi Coke for 5 cents, and another cool car, 1928 International 6-Speed Special, memory of Larry McRoberts. International, I think it's an International Harvester, perhaps. Look at all this beautiful stuff in the garage. All these cool Route 66 things. We got Superman up here, all sorts of Coke bottles, Coke signs, got Dr. Pepper. Anyway, the light's off, so it's a little bit darker. My goodness, look at this big Ford. Holy moly. Gas pump and a little, I don't know, thing the kids ride around in a circle. Little carousel here. A piano. Yeah. Yes, absolutely beautiful. How about that? Got a little tractor here. Another little gas pump. That's where all the gas pumps ended up. All the old gas stations, they're all upgraded. Magic, Aladdin, Gasoline, Sinclair. This guy here, this building, it's called the Gay Parita store. Built in 1930, little Spanish, Mediterranean, revival style, 1 story, stucco building we have here. Anyway, let's see what else I can tell you about this place here. Well, there's some discrepancy about who actually owned it and built it, though. It sold groceries, animal feed, clothes. Used to have a Conoco station right in front, right here. The little pump island. Anyway, today I think it's a private residence. Way up here is another cool building. We call this the other Paris Springs garage on Route 66. This guy's built in 1944. Take a closer look. It's got that great local sandstone giraffe style design on him. That old cabin building here. That looks like somebody still lives there. Maybe. Anyway, look at this guy here. Just beautiful. Made of stone, right? Got a single bay garage. That half-rounded metal sheet roof. The sign up front says Bill Smith Garage. Route 66. Flats were changed for 50 cents. Built in the 1940s. I had 1944, so probably right around there. Great little cabin here. Down the road this way, fantastic bridge on Turnback Creek. But here, let me go back up to our little Gay Parita store. Take another gander. See a sign here. Old 66. So here's Route 66 from Chicago all the way out to California. Get your kicks. Gary's 66. We've got root beer here. Gay Parita root beer on Route 66. That sounds pretty good. We get a root beer float. Maybe put little souvenirs up here on the fence if you want. Take a look inside his little garage and gift shop. 15 cents for gas. That's insane. Anyway, we've got bigger bottle, better flavor. What have we got in here? Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. Look at all this really cool stuff. There's the original photograph up there. The Sinclair Station. Anyway, we got the photograph here, old radio, telephone, lots of toys, TV, little dinosaur here, Sinclair. And here we'll continue up here to the gift shop. Unbelievable. License plates all over the place. And gift shop. We are open. Sinclair. Oh, here's where you buy all your little souvenirs. Lots and lots of t-shirts. America's Highway, the Mother Road. John Steinbeck. Grapes of Wrath. Coined that term. Everybody knows the Mother Road. There we go. And thank you. Little urn here for your smokes. Dinosaur. And back here we have a little picnic snack area. There's a fellow rooster. Right, our little sandstone home here. Looks fantastic. Garage, storage area. And here we have a little lunch picnic area out here in Paris Springs at Gay Parita. Oh. You gotta come here. This is fantastic. Welcome, Gary's Gay Parita Friends for life. All right? Is that Elvis? Marlon Brando. I think it's Elvis. Here we go. Popcorn and sodas and all sorts of good stuff. So we're gonna head out of town and check out that bridge. So we're leaving Paris Springs. This is called Turnback Creek. Unbelievable. Built in 1923. It's a triple Warren Pony Truss Bridge. This is incredible. It's 215 feet long. It's got 3 little spans here for our trusses. The longest span is 70 feet. This thing is 20 feet wide. Turnback Creek, it starts like 15 miles southwest in a town called Billings, and it flows out here from the Sac River. And that little bridge there, it's unbelievable. Built in 1923. That's 100 years old this year. So we're going to continue on Route 66, headed westbound to the town of Spencer, Missouri. This is pretty fun. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.